Anna, come back. Good morning.
Morning.
At the same. Where do you
Show me your something.
We are something. If I say,
It's here.
a fear. When you're not passing from how?
MPB or Mantum one.
MPB net teacher Mantum. No pass square born.
Yeah.
I didn't know pass ya. MPP. What is wrong of Ghanaian people? I mean, be no matter the politics. Yadia Bana, I buy a quarter. What I say, will be Uncle Fat MPP no sparks and show. Was you a piano by? Then with him for more than the politics. Where were NDC? Where say CVP? Where say NDC? Where I don't know what is going on. It's just what the move is moving. A go for Pambi. More to man go for a passamra. Who's ever talking? Now, what my money and this engine? Who's a best go for Ajuma?
William.
Huh? Who isn't here? Whooper, idiot.
So, where the factor man, shut up.
Why should I say? What do I? Please, my friend, stand there. Stand. So, what do you want? Maybe a Casa MP. And I did the modern politics. Now, what I say, Ellie Piamontre. Obuwa, also MPP now. Uncle Toby. And this new one. What happened?
I didn't talk about it.
Some Abagana.
I didn't talk about it.
I'm not sure I arrest 20 minutes behind.
Yes, you are.
I'm not sure arrest the telling you of mother.
Yes, you are arrested.
I'm telling you. I can't sit down to take opportunity to do that. It's a rubbish.
Obi Gasa dey na ma se na bia nyo who right say join the political party or person what say be nya season we. You have the right to franchise. You bet ma to aba ma obi who gi this obi to ma bo man bia. Me nya sa time we aye ko a ye be say yale na mo be politics.
What is it? I don't need campaign. After the coronavirus, you can do your campaign. How can you take opportunity to this issue? To take opportunity to do campaign.
What I say?
I will never allow this. Remove.
In flag barriers ni kwa omo TV so kasa
Give it to me.
play
Stupid.
What I say?
I can't do nonsense things.
If you like mention politics you be our size.
I make sure to arrest the MP. As a catch your call. I make sure to arrest the MP. Idiot.
Hey, remove it.
Come go. Leave here. Have a good morning.
Good morning, sir.
I say, who Martin about?
NDC.
NDC.
Yeah.
You are aware.
Me and NDC.
Okay.
NDC, no size.
Hey. You have to know, sir. You am fine with you here. We are aware. Issue in air politics in Pachawana. Senior politics. What's a war and this idea? It's MP Nija and this Nija. It doesn't see how much for Contoka.
Yes.
Because I would be ready. Because the radio from a firm, would you have from
Not an talker.
down to us? It has a big man, as a virtual man. And wow, we will when Pidima was and wow, yes,
Officer. NDC.
Remove it.
Me.
Remove it.
Wallahi, me killer. Me a killer. Yeah, we wallahi killer. Me ni da. Me a killer. Yeah, me a killer. Can you give me do you Hey, wallahi, hey. Yeah. Hey. Wallahi. Remove it kaka na over them. Hey, Officer.
Tell me, what do you want?
Wallahi.
We are not here to fight anybody. We are not here to take opportunity to beat somebody.
Yes, we are peacemakers.
We are peacemakers. We are talking to us as a brothers, as a team of four. I said, this no smash with air politics. And remove it. I can give you the different one.
Yes, play one.
Be one. Please. Take different
Me power NDC. NDC, no, come. NDC. Yeah. Officer. Come on.
You know yourself, you are macho man. We are the militaries. We are go anywhere.
Me, I don't fear anybody.
Solve the issues.
Me, I don't fear anybody. I'm the NDC.
You can't stand my face. I'm
Now,
telling you.
Rock Crowbar says pass, boy. I signed 96 gallons.
My friend, please. Remove this one.
What's up? Wallahi. Ha! Let's solve this amicably.
No, please. Remove this one.
I will never remove.
I tell me, Chinny Pa, we are can sell a hand type of to remove this.
Put it in your head. Sure. Come on, come on. Yeah.
Oh, sir, party, Escafon Tower Chiana, as I say.
I am wow. Coco tea, one bet. There's all come at once.
I tell me, Chick Company. I tell me, Chick. I said, when you see that, now see any chat or suck at the Bobono. We can't beat them.
Now, tell you to go according to me from Santa Talika.
Now, many Simono.
Say, my bonne at the end. Rock close, says pass one book around your Pamono. Then can tell what
I make sure to arrest all the MPs to set this nose mask.
Yes.
For politics.
Yes.
I arrest all of them.
Yes, we have to. We have to pan. Yes, I didn't talk about.
Okay.